Hi, I'm Nerida from Achtung Camper, and I'm going to show you how to use and maintain the water tank in your camper van. So first we need two things. We need the key to unlock your water tank inlet and also the hose to refill the tank. Now we provide you with a food grade hose and also all the fittings that you need to pull up to any tap around Australia. So firstly, to open up your tank, you just need to get the key from your car key ring, and it's a little Camec key here, and the locking mechanism is on a horizontal, so you just flip it to vertical, and then you can remove the key while you're refilling, and then you attach your hose to a tap, and in you go and fill until all the water starts to run out the top. And then what you need to do before anything is just let out a bit of water to release a bit of pressure out of the outlet tap, which on the long wheelbase is at the just at the bottom here, conveniently from the inlet. And if you have a short wheelbase, it's on the passenger side of the vehicle. We just walk around and open up the tap a little bit there and let it run out. So lock again, and away you go. To maintain your tank, so if you aren't travelling and you are just driving around town and you don't need the water, you either leave it completely full or completely empty. Otherwise, if you leave it partly full, it can grow some bacteria and germs in there, which we don't want. And then if you need to clean out your tank, what you do is a simple bicarb vinegar solution. Pour it in, mix a bit of water, lock it up, drive around town for a bit, let it slush around. And then run some water through, open up the tap and let it flush out. Great.